Hey guys, it's Randy Rocks 21 with Joseph Smith and we're riding a tractor.
Turtle man. Turtle. Turtle. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Okay, well, here we go, guys. It's kind of bumpy. It's not. It's getting a little fun now. It feels like I'm in my. It feels like I'm in my own car. But I need to hold. I need to record. Gonna last. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go back in time and erase some videos because oh my gosh, it actually feels I can smell the musky dimes. I can smell the wonderful musky dimes. How do you like it? Jackson, do you like it? Yeah, because it's red. We already been on it 24 minutes. Not 24 minutes. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm pretty sure it's going to go for like 5 minutes. And then I'm going to have to go erase a million videos. Oh my gosh, this isn't going to take us, yeah, this might actually take us more than 5 minutes now. Oh wait, whoa, I did not expect this. We're going through the musky dimes. We're going through the field. Watch out for the leaves, okay? No, we're not in a horror movie. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Dude, it smells so good, I just want to pick one and eat it. I'm going to just pick the musky dimes up and eat all of them. Just so you guys know, I'm going to record like a million videos with you, with Joseph, because he's only staying with us for 1 day, and why are you screaming? I can reach out for the musky dimes on... Oh, he's in the middle now. Get the musky dimes. Get the branch. Oh, so close. Get this branch. Get a branch, get a branch. No, so close. Yes, I broke a leaf. I broke a leaf. Oh my gosh, we've been on it 4 minutes. This is gonna flood my videos. Okay, dude, I might actually literally have to erase this video. I'm not going to. We're still going. Oh my gosh. I hope this... I bet this... Whoa. We're going a little fast. I already told you, 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, yeah, 45. Yeah. No, because if it started raining, I'm pretty sure he would just tell us to get under here. Or we'll just get wet. car. Okay, we're going back around. And it's only, and my video, I only have like a 2-minute video left. Look at the clouds, whoa! Oh my gosh, this is not a good day to go to the muskydime festival. We're going back? Yay!
We survived the zombie apocalypse!
Dude, it's gonna take us like 2 minutes to get through here and then 2 minutes to get back. Oh no, he's going faster this time. Crap, after this I'm gonna have to erase a million videos. I'm not erasing the fireworks fail. Oh dude, if you grab the leaves, so close. So close. Oh! You touched one, good job. Right now it's been 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Oh my gosh. Come on.
Oh, got it!
Oh gosh, I almost
Got it!
You did not get a muskydime.
Yes, I did, I got it!
You got it. Leave. Oh my god, you could have got that one. It's been 6 minutes and 30 seconds. This is crazy. I thought it was only going to take us 5 minutes. You seriously just went. Whoa. Muskydime. Muskydimes. Muskydimes. No. If only we were a little closer. Muskydimes. Muskydimes. Yeah, it's literally dude, I only have 1 minute of film left. Oh no. Well, if this video randomly stops, we can almost this only costs like Dude, stop screaming. Dude, stop screaming. Dude, I'm serious. Oh my gosh, it's blinking. Crap, I have less than 1 minute. Come on, we can make it in here in less than 1 minute. Go faster, tractor. Dude, seriously, we've been on this. Oh my gosh. I only have 40 seconds left before my camera runs out. Exactly. You need to use the bathroom? Oh my gosh, 29 seconds. No. We almost got through this whole entire ride together, guys. Well, we're on our way.
Train, please!
Dude, 10 seconds left. Oh no. We're not gonna make it. Well, bye guys.